Hi, it's Henry from Canvas GFX, and today we're going to be looking at measurements in Canvas. Measurements are a feature in all of our current Canvas products for both Windows and Mac. Let's take a look at how they work. Here we have a model that was brought into Canvas and converted into its vector paths. We'll start by selecting the measurement tool and choosing two anchor points to measure the length of this pump. Notice above we have things like the document units, the scale, whether we want to display the units, or use a secondary unit. We can also use the chain dimensioning tool to make a series of measurements in a row. Here we have some examples of the different kinds of measurements in Canvas, like side length, diameter, radius, and some different angles. One thing to note, if I have the Allow Change Size option selected, I can change the size of my shape and its measurement will update dynamically. Thanks for checking out some of the measurement tools that Canvas has to offer. For more tips, tricks, and features, visit our website at canvasgfx.com.